Hello everyone, welcome to our sessions on SWOT analysis for personality development class with me, Miss Masnia Rahayu, designed specifically for undergraduate students at Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. In this online lecture, we will explore how SWOT analysis can help you understand yourself better and plan your personal and professional growth. SWOT stands for strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and also threats. It is a strategic planning tools commonly used in business but can be effectively applied to personal development as well. Okay, the importance of personality development is continuous process that involve enhancing your quality, attitudes, and overall behavior. It is crucial for students as it helps build confidence, communication skills, and also emotional intelligence. By integrating SWOT analysis into personality development, you can create more focused and structured path to self-improvement and career readiness. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is a framework used to evaluate the internal and also external factors that affect growth. Internal factors include strength, weaknesses, while external factors are opportunities and also threats. In personal developments, it helps individuals identify areas for improvement and also leverage their unique abilities to overcome challenges. Okay, what is strength in a SWOT analysis? Well, strengths are the qualities and attributes that give you an advantage over others. They can includes your skills, talents, experience, or resources. So strength also recognizes your strength, allows you to maximize your potentials and set goals that align with your capabilities. So how to identifying your strength? To identify your strength, reflect on your achievement first and feedback from others, and also task your perform confidently. So ask yourself, what am I good at? What do others appreciate about me? So that's questions, it's make you know what is your strength. And then documenting your strength helps you stay focused on what you do well and how you can use these abilities to advantage. So what is the weaknesses in a SWOT analysis? Well, weaknesses are the areas where you need improvement. This can include lack of experience, for example, poor time management, or weak communication skills. Acknowledging your weaknesses is not a sign of failure, but an opportunity to grow. Understanding them allows you to work and turning them into strength. So, the next one, how to identifying your weaknesses. Please be honest with yourself when assessing your weaknesses. Consider the feedback you receive and situations where you struggled. Once identified, create a plan to address these weaknesses through training, for example, practice, and also seeking mentorships. So, the last one is about opportunities in SWOT analysis. What is opportunities? Refers to external factors that you can take advantage of to achieve your goals. This could be internship, for example, workshop, networking event, or new technologies. By recognizing and seizing opportunities, you can accelerate your potential's professional development. So, identifying opportunities also to support opportunities, please stay informed about the trends in your field. Actively seek out the learning experience and also connect with professionals in your industry. So opportunities often come discussed as challenges. So remain open-minded and proactive in your approach. This is, I think, the last one of the SWOT analysis. So the threats. What is the threats? Yeah, the threats are external factors that could hinder your progress. This might include economic downturns, high competitions, or competitors, or lack of resources. So identifying threats allow you to prepare for a multiple potential risk, ensuring that you remain on track for your goals. So how we identifying threats? Identifying threats, please analyze your environment critically. Consider what obstacle may arise and how that could impact your journey. And also having a contingency plan for potential threat can strengthen your resilience and also adaptability. So right now, please combining SWOT analysis. Now that you understand each component, it's time to combine them. A comprehensive SWOT analysis considers how your strength can overcome weaknesses and threats and how opportunities can be leveraged. This holistic view is essential for strategic personal planning. So, how to create your personal SWOT matrix? Start by drawing a 4-quadrant grid: strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and also threat. Fill each box with insight you've gathered, and then this metric will serve as your personal development maps, guiding your actions and also decisions. Let's look at the examples. Students may list good public speaking skills as a strength, for example, procrastinations as a weakness, internships offers as opportunities, and also saturated job market as threat. Such a matrix helps in making informed choices about where you focus your energy and improvement effort. Using SWOT in goal settings. So, use your SWOT analysis to set SMART goals: specific, measurables, achievables, and also relevant and time-bound. For instance, if a weakness is a poor time management, a SMART goals could be improved time management by using a daily planner for the next 3 months. Okay, prioritizing areas for development. So not all areas require immediate attention. Use your SWOT to prioritize which weakness affect you most, which opportunities has a deadline. So focusing your effort increase efficiency and also ensures consistent progress. Now, how to monitoring your progress? Personal development is ongoing. Revisit your SWOT analysis regularly to assess progress and update it based on new experience and also new insights. Monitoring helps you stay on the course and make necessary adjustment. So, the roles of mentors in SWOT analysis. Mentor can provide valuable perspective on your SWOT analysis. They can help you uncover blind spots and provide guidance for overcoming weaknesses or seizing opportunities. Building strong mentor relationship is a powerful tool in personal development. So, real-life case study, for example, I use student SWOT analysis. Consider the case of Lina, for example, a computer science student. Her strength is programming, but she lacks of confidence in presentations. She identifies hackathons as opportunities and public speaking anxiety as a threat. By focusing on her strength and seeking opportunities to practice presentations, she improved her confidence and employability. And leveraging university resources. Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia has over many resources like career centers, workshops, students organizations, and counseling service. So this can help you act on your SWOT analysis and also develop holistically. So how we integrating SWOT analysis into daily life? So SWOT is not a one-time activity. Incorporate into your daily reflections. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? What could I have done better? These habits foster continuous learning and also personal growth. Well, there are some common mistakes in personal SWOT. Some common mistakes include being too fragile, overly critical, or ignoring external factors. So ensure your SWOT is specific, balanced, and realistic to be truly useful. So tips for effective SWOT analysis: please be honest and also objective. Use real example and feedback and involve others if needed. As well, rounded SWOT requires input from various perspectives. So from SWOT to actions plan. Your SWOT should lead to a clear actions plan, outline steps to address weaknesses, utilize strengths, and explore opportunities and counter threats. This roadmap make your goals more tangible. So the mindset shift. Using SWOT encourage a growth mindset. You begin to see challenges as opportunities to learn and setbacks as temporary. So adopting this mindset is crucial for long-term success. Well, SWOT for career planning. Besides personal growth, SWOT is great for career planning, mature strength, and also opportunities to potential job roles in industries. Identify areas for upskilling and anticipate market challenges. So this is the group SWOT exercise. So please try SWOT in groups. Please, you can look at the peer feedback, can highlight areas you might overlook. And then group activities also can build teamwork and also communication skills. So you can create the groups and then you can analyze each other. So use apps and templates to maintain your SWOT. Those like Trello, Notions, or Google Sheets, or some AI help in tracking and updating your progress. Technology can make the process more engaging and also organized. Remember, personal growth is a journey, not a destination. Use SWOT as a companion to guide and empower you. Stay curious, reflective, and resilient in your development path. So, in conclusions, SWOT analysis is powerful framework for understanding yourself and planning your growth, and it can encourage self-awareness, strategic thinking, and also proactive development. Apply what you have learned today and take control of your personal and professional journey. The future is yours to shape. Thank you for joining these sessions on SWOT analysis for personality development. We have explored how understanding your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and also threats can be a powerful tool in shaping not just for your academic success, but for your personal and so professional futures. Remember, how journey doesn't end here. Your journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning of a lifetime of growth. Regularly update your SWOT analysis as you evolve. Don't be afraid to face your weaknesses. Celebrate your strength, of course, and pursue new opportunities and plan for challenges ahead. Take actions, reflect often, and grow continuously. Whether you are working on communication skills, confidence, or career planning, let this framework guide your step. You are the architect of your own future, and every small effort today is building a stronger versions of yourself tomorrow. Until we meet again in another session, stay curious, stay driven, and stay true to your goals. See you the next times, and good luck for your journey.